Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2016 Ford Police Interceptor Utility with about 110,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. So the vehicle is a clean title. Obviously there are one owners, and if you have any questions regarding the vehicle, please give us a call 909-457-5500, or you're welcome to text us. You want to visit our webpage at cainterceptors.com for full pictures and description of the actual vehicle, and to take a look at our other cars that we have in stock. If you're looking for something in particular, give us a call as well. Let us try to help you find it, and we'll do our best to get it out to you in a timely manner. All right guys, thanks for watching guys. I appreciate the likes, the comments. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. I started from nothing, right? And I know 1,000 subscribers isn't really much, but to me it means the world. So I really appreciate all the feedback, all the support guys, and encourages me to continue making these videos. All right, all right guys, so here we go. Interceptor Utility, let's go. So we'll start with the LED headlights. Sorry folks, we don't edit around here. Spotlights, LED, fully functional. Right, did a sleek look to it. Didn't want to put a push bar on it, right? Because we do have some ones with push bars. This car is on Firestone tires, the Firehawks. Good tire life remaining. Okay, antennas, you have two at the very top for display only, right? 3.7 all-wheel drive, regular gasoline. Okay, regular 87 gasoline. There's your Police Interceptor badge there. Bam, right? Check it out. All right, so my videos guys were before they were a little bit longer. They're about like 10 minutes long. I'm gonna just cut it into like 3 to 5 minutes videos and call it a day guys. Okay, so like that, we get to the point. I'm just trying to show you guys the video, not trying to just waste your time, right? So let's get to it. All right, interior, obviously the sun is hitting us in a certain angle, so it looks a little weird, but here you go. Ballistics panel, power windows, power door locks, adjustable seats. Okay, spotlights, dome light, white and red. Okay, no center console on this one. All right, perfect. Since we're here, might as well let's show you the miles. And the miles are 110,730. Okay, perfect. Open up the back. All right, let's open up the trunk real quick since I already hit the timer, and then we'll go back to the back seats. All right. Rear doors, obviously you do see the white right on the door jambs. The car obviously was PD. Certain department that their vehicles were they were just like this, right? No need for us to paint them. These cars are practically go back to security companies or enthusiasts, right? But this door jamb thing, we don't care about that. Okay, perfect. Look at the back. Okay, let's take a look at here. Gorgeous. All right, vinyl seats, really good condition. Okay, here's your back. Okay, look at that. All right, 87 regular gas. Remember your doors and windows and door lock and door handles, so your door will open from the inside. Okay, so we make sure we adjust that. Okay, perfect. All right, cool. All right, passenger front, heavy door, ballistics panel, right? All right, show you the spotlights. All right, cool. All right guys, so we're right at the 5-minute mark. I appreciate your feedback, guys, on this, on all of our cars. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate everything. So yeah, any question, guys, please feel free to reach out, and we're more than happy to help you out. Okay, guys, have a good rest of the day, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.